Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to test your internet connection speed on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on your browser Safari and go to google.com. In the search bar of Google, write test speed of internet. Then tap on speedtest.net. Then tap continue on the web. Then switch your screen to desktop website. To do this, tap on this icon and tap request desktop website. Then zoom out and now tap go. Here tap allow wait using app. Allow, and now wait until finish testing your speed connection. And that's it, how you can test your speed connection on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.